Hi, this is Mr. Nazarian. Today's learning objective: I can represent real-world and mathematical problems by graphing points in the first quadrant of a coordinate plane. Okay. As we approach spring, Abby is so excited because she loves springtime. The days get longer and warmer. Abby wanted to keep track of the temperature and the change from day to day on her chart at home. She made this coordinate plane to make a line graph of the week's temperature change. Here is the information for the week's recorded temperature. Monday was 45 degrees, Tuesday 55 degrees, Wednesday 60, Thursday 50, Friday 60, Saturday 75 degrees, and Sunday it was 70 degrees. So quite a bit of change in that week. And what we want to do today is we want to help Abby create her line graph for this week's temperatures. So how are we going to do this? We are going to look first of all. Every graph should have a title. So the title for this one is temperature change this week. That tells us what, when we look at this graph when it's finished, what it should be telling us. And then we're going to look at the x-axis, which remember is the one that goes side to side, and that's telling us the days of the week. So we've got here, and there's one here that's a little bit different that you might be wondering about, so I'm going to tell you. So the M is obviously Monday, T is Tuesday, W is Wednesday, R is Thursday, F is Friday, Saturday is ST, and SN is Sunday. And then on the y-axis here, going up, is temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So you can see that every 2 lines up is 10 degrees. So we start at the point of origin, 0, 0, go up 10. So obviously each one in between is a multiple of 5. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on all the way up to, we've got 90 here marked. And then for the x-axis, the days, just for spacing wise, so it's not quite so crunched together, I space them out to two different lines in between. Okay. All right, so we see here that on Monday it's 45 degrees. So to mark that, obviously we're going to go on the x-axis to Monday, and then we're going to go up to where we see 45 degrees. So here's 40, here's 50. Remember, each of these lines is a multiple of 5, so 45 degrees would be right there. Tuesday is 55, so we're going to go to Tuesday. We're going to go up to in between 50 and 60 right here. Wednesday got a little bit warmer still, up to 60, so Wednesday we're going to go up to 60. And Thursday cooled down a little bit, so we go to Thursday and it cooled down. It went to down to 50 degrees. Still isn't too bad right now. Sounds pretty good. And Friday bumped up again, got warmer. Sun came out, got up to 60. And then Sunday came, or the weekend came, and guess what? It got nice and warm. Saturday went all the way up to 75 degrees. Which sounds amazing right now. And then it went down just a little bit, but still nice and warm to 70 on Sunday. So this is what our plots would look like as far as the temperature change would go. But remember, you want to create a line graph, so we're going to connect these dots with lines. So I'm just going to grab this line right here, and hopefully this works. Yep. Connect the dots. Go from Monday to Tuesday, from Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday, and so on, connecting all the dots as we go. And that is what the temperature change for this week would look like on Abby's chart. All right. So that's how you make a line graph. You just look at the data that you've been given. You got to make sure that your x-axis and y-axis is labeled correctly. And it should look something like that. Okay, we're going to work on these tomorrow. Great. See you then.